In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Pokémon Go game on an Android. Select the first search result for Pokémon Go APK on Chrome. Visit the first link. The Pokémon Go game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Just follow me on the video and hit the download button for the latest version on March 2026. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the download is complete, open the APK with APK installer by up to down. Simply tap the play button, grant all the necessary permissions, then it will prompt you to enter your date of birth. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install Pokémon Go on your mobile device. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.